This is Amit here, and welcome to this walkthrough of my digital portfolio, which is built in React and is deployed on Amazon AWS EC2 instance and is hosted on domain address jagprajapati.com. So, in this video, I will talk about the front end part of it and if any backend involved with it, and the important one, the code base for it. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, as I told you, this digital portfolio is hosted on domain prajapati.com. I'll type in the address and hit enter. As you can see, this is my digital portfolio, and if any user type in this domain address into the browser, it will ask you for email address. Now this email address is mandatory if any user want to talk to me in real time. If user will click on cancel button, he will not be able to talk to me in real time. I'll show you later how communication is happening with this React application and like with me itself. So for the moment, I'll just type in address, say gmail.com, and for the moment you can see there is no chat button or chatting functionality implemented here. Now, as soon as I will submit, I will get the chatting functionality, which is chat box component, which I will show you in code base as well later. Now, before discussing too much about this chat box component, I want to show you that if a user submitted email over here or on the digital portfolio website, I'll also get a notification in my Android application, which I've built using Android Studio. And this Android application is using the same backend which this React is using. So I'm I like suddenly will receive this notification from the backend that this user has joined the chat. If I reload it, I'll show you again. Now let me change the email address. Let it be random user @gmail.com. Now let's see the magic and wait for it. As you see, I got a notification from the backend of my chat application prototype, which is using FCM Firebase Cloud Messaging to send a notification in real time. Now you can see this application for the moment. This application, sorry, this application is not open. So this how this notification is being generated is generated with the help of FCM Firebase Cloud Messaging, and in case when user is online, it will directly send me a WebSocket based message, and it will display me over there in the chat itself that this user has joined the chat. Now before discussing too much about this, how chatting is happening, I like to discuss about what are the different components over here. So you can see this website, this digital portfolio is uh, built on top of different components. These are the different components: the summary component, the experience component, the project component, the skills component, and educational background, and the certificates component, and of course this chat box component as well, and on the top a nav bar. Now if any user want to just see only specific detail, like if you want to see the summary, experience, projects, or skills, or certificate, he can just click on any one of them. For example, I just want to I'm not interested in reading all of this. I just want to go to skill section, and user can directly navigate on the skills, and he can see over there that, oh, okay, this owner of this digital portfolio have these kind of skills. And yeah, and if you want to like see all of them in one page, you can just click on this name, and it will display all of these details over there. So these are the different components I have talked about them, and now I will tell you like how this chat box is working in real time. So basically, uh, sorry. So I have created a Spring Boot based chat application backend, which is exposing a WebSocket connection, and this React project is using the same WebSocket connection, and which is being used by this my Android application, um, Eco. It's not deployed. Android application is not deployed yet, but this project I created just for learning purpose. And yep, and let's see it in action. So, so for the moment, let me just start it, and it will log in with the Gmail account. Now, as you can see, I have typed earlier like random user at the rate, gmail.com has joined the chat. So it is sending me a WebSocket based message or Axiom based message, and it's storing those messages onto the backend itself. So these all the chats, all the messages, these are like stored somewhere and can be retrieved later as well. And now let me just send you a message over here. Let any like user sending me message. Hello, Amit. How are you? Sorry. As you can see, the message appeared over here. Now this communication is happening on the real time on the WebSocket connection. Now what happen in case when like user is online, not online, and he's offline, and will we still get a message? Let's see. For the moment, like I close the application, so user will go offline, and it will update my database into the backend. So now let me send message. Hello, Amit. Are you still online? And you can see I got a notification. Hello, Amit. Are you still online? Okay. Now, how this is working in the backend chat application prototype, it's checking whether user is online or not. And if the user is online, then he will directly send message with the help of WebSocket. And if user is offline, in that case, it will send message with the Firebase cloud messaging functionality, which is using the address for each of the specific user, and it will send that message to that user over that address. So this is how I'm getting this real time notifications over here. And it's not that like user can only user can send me a message. I can also send user the revert message as well. Let me just show you. Hi user, how can I help you? And you can see I got the message over here on the website. So this is a two-way communication. So this was like how this chat box is working, and the backend how it is connected to the backend itself. And now I'll move to the code base part. As I have shown you different components, now these are the different components which I have created for this React project. Now as you can see, uh, about animated certificate component, this certificate component is this one. And chat box, this is this one, this complete component. And combiner is basically the complete website itself, like on the home address. This complete website in itself is combiner. And this is the footer and famous error page. Now in what happened, like in when user type in something wrong over here in the address, let me just show you. In this case we'll navigate to the error 404 page not found. Now um, this is the skills component, this is project component, this is user status indicator, which is over here. Wait, I will show you. Sorry. Oh, I need to type in email address for displaying that user status indicator. Now, as you can see, I got a message. User Amit Patiwal 47 at the rate gmail.com has joined the chat. Now, um, this user status indicator. the small uh, status indicator over here is this one. And yep, that's basically all about this React project code base. And I've shown you this digital portfolio. I hope you like it. And if you have any query or any improvement for me, do just click on this chat box and type in a message for me. Thank you and have a good day.